In this tutorial, I'll show you how to adjust tick size in NinjaTrader 8. By the end, you'll have a custom tick chart set to the exact tick count you want. So your chart updates after the number of trades you specify and displays price action at the level of detail you need. First, open a new chart, then click the Data Series button to open the chart settings. You'll see options that control how the chart is built. Next, under Type, select Tick. This switches the chart from a time-based or volume-based chart to a tick chart. A tick chart builds a new bar after a set number of trades have occurred, which is what we're adjusting here. Now, in the value field, enter your desired tick count, for example, 144. This number is the ticks per bar. A smaller number like 50 will make bars form faster and show very fine movement. A larger number like 610 will slow the bar formation and smooth the chart. Choose the number that matches the level of detail you want to see. As you confirm the change, the chart will update, and you should see the tick type and value reflected in the chart's title or data area so you can verify it's set correctly. From here, look at the chart as new trades come in. Each bar will complete after your chosen number of ticks. If you entered 144, a new bar prints after exactly 144 trades. This is how you precisely control the tick size of the chart in NinjaTrader 8. Filter ticks. Reduce data spikes. If you notice occasional irregular price jumps or outlier prints from your data feed, tick filtering helps reduce those visual spikes so your chart stays readable. Use filtering when you see unexpected spikes that don't reflect true market activity. With your custom tick chart configured, you can keep an eye on how clean the incoming data looks and apply filtering according to your preferences to minimize those spikes. At this point, your custom tick chart is set up, your tick size is adjusted to the value you chose, and the chart will now build bars exactly as specified. The setup is complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.